did not succeed in stopping Dr. William Ruto. So luckily for TVETs and all young Kenyans who want to go through TVETs, the same Dr. William Ruto who started this program and worked on it from the time he was Minister for Higher Education as Deputy President. The good news for TVET and for all those who want to is that the same, that TVET is the real intervention in matters technology, in matters job creation, is today the President of the Republic of Kenya. What that means in effect is that the TVET institutions will get proper funding, they'll get proper attention from government, and the vision he had envisaged as Minister for Higher Education, as Deputy President, he'll be able to actualize that dream as President of the Republic of Kenya without any hindrance. Kwa hivyo watu ya TVET mbele iko sawa, from what I can see. I want to assure our principals have been informed and I am aware, due to challenges facing our economy, there has been delay in the release of capitation for our TVET institutions. When I get to Nairobi later this evening, I'll be able to have an urgent meeting with Professor Dungu, the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury, so that we can agree on an immediate rollout of the release of monies from the capitation program, so that these institutions can be able to proceed without too many difficulties. So our principals, tulikuwa na shida mingi. No, when I talked during the inauguration at Kasarani, sijui kama muliangalia nikiwa pale, nikasema we have inherited a dilapidated economy and the covers are empty. People thought I'm mischievous or I was just chiding the outgoing administration. I was just being truthful. Najua hii maneno ya kusema ukweli ni mambo ya maana sana. That is the truth. We are struggling. 2 months ago, we even had challenges to release our salaries on time because the president has decided, and rightly so, that it is stupid to borrow money to pay salaries because it is not sustainable. So we have to pay our salaries. We have to fund our recurrent budget from our own revenue. So what the government has done is to come up with a mechanism to make it very efficient on how to collect revenue, how to deal with tax evaders, and to make sure that Kenyans pay tax so that we can fund our recurrent expenditure. If we have to borrow any money for whatever reason, it must be for sustainability.